Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Macy. Today I'm going to be doing a fall shoe haul. Quite a few people asked me for a closet tour, and right now my closet's kind of like a mess and destroyed, and I just donated a bunch of stuff, so I'm trying to like clean it out and organize it before I do that. But I do have a fall shoe haul, so I'm going to be showing you a couple of my favorite pairs of shoes that I wear in the fall time. So yeah, let's get started. My first favorite pair is these. They are the Demonia Anarchy Creepers. I got them off the Demonia website, and they're just like my favorite shoe ever. They look good with everything, anything, everything, and they're unisex. So if you're a guy or you're a girl, you can wear these shoes, and they're only like $50 or $60, I believe, so it's about the same price as a pair of Vans. They're well fucking worth it, I'll tell you right now. The next pair of shoes is a classic, obviously. Doc Martens. These are the best for the fall time. You can wear them with like shorts if it's like a warmer fall day. You can wear them with a skirt. You can wear them with pants. And again, you can dress them up or dress them down. These are perfect for like all types of weather. Like if you go to the Orchard or like the cider mill and it's like a little bit like dirty, like dusty ass roads, you can wear these because they're durable, they're nice. And these, they range on price depending on the style and the size, I believe, too. But yeah, I got these from either Nordstrom or the Doc Martens website. They were a gift for my boyfriend, so I don't know. But they're at Nordstrom's, and you can get them at Doc Martens website if you're interested. Okay, so these literally have dust on them because I haven't worn them in ages, but these are one of my favorite fall shoes because they give me like a super witchy vibe. They're just like, they have that heel like baddie mode, like a mean girl would wear. Like they're just cute. They're just really cute. And you can wear them for like a date night, or you can wear them with like skinny jeans even. They're perfect, and I love these shoes. And I actually got them from Payless when I worked there for like $20. Like, I don't know, Payless had the cheapest shoes, and some of the stuff was cute. They were underrated, so I think they still have a website, not sure, but the brand is Brash, so I know you can get them from their website. I think that they have a website too. But yeah, these are pretty generic. You can get them anywhere. I've seen ones similar on Dolls Kill. But yeah, all these shoes are super cute, and I'm sad I don't get to wear them enough anymore because COVID. But now that it's fall, we get to go outside and go like pumpkin picking and go get like cider and donuts and all that bullshit. Like, that's cute. I love the fall season. I love being a festive witchy bitch. The next pair are these Vans. They're not like fall shoes, but I feel like this is a good casual fall shoe because it has like this beige, like the off-white. I feel like this is like a fall color for me because white is like super refreshing. This beige is like a crisp fall day. And then they have like the little sun and moon on them. I think that's super cute. Kind of reminds me of like astrology or like the zodiac. So that's a little bit witchy. That kind of ties in with like the fall and Halloween theme. So these are super cute just for like a casual fall day with like a flannel or some shit. And then my last one, the best shoe ever for like all seasons, except I consider this a fall and summertime shoe. Not really summertime because it's hot as balls and you could not wear something like this without your toes sweating. But in the winter time, I've tried to wear these and I've slipped and fell on my ass in the ice. So not a winter shoe, but a fall shoe. These, so cute. I feel insecure sometimes when I wear them because they're a little bit daring and bold, and my other shoes are like not. But you know, as many like odd looks as I get the same amount of compliments, so like it evens itself out. I like them. I might get looks from some like scary old white men, but a lot of people will tell me like, hey girl, those shoes are cute, where'd you get those from? Like strangers. And I'm like, I love that energy. They're from the Demonia website. They're actually kind of like holographic when you see them in the light. If you don't want to wear them out, they're still like really good for like cute like Halloween like photo shoots and pictures like that. So yeah, or Halloween costumes. So yeah, that's all for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what your favorite shoe was that I showed, or if you have any of the same ones, or if you want to get any of the same ones. Thank you so much. I love you all, and I hope you're having a great day.